Hey Sqadians, welcome again. A very interesting topic that we are going to discuss in this video is phagocytosis. But before going into details of phagocytosis, let's develop a basic concept about endocytosis. Well, Greek endo means within, cyto means cell or hollow vessel, and osis means condition or process. So, endocytosis is the process by which cells take in substances from outside of the cell by engulfing them in a vesicle. This term is used opposite to exocytosis, which is the process by which cells eliminate or release the material into extracellular space. Coming back to endocytosis, that is the basic of our main topic. Endocytosis can be of two types, namely Pinocytosis and Phagocytosis, where Pino means to drink and Phago means to eat. So Pinocytosis is actually cell drinking, that means engulfing of small particles within the cell, while Phagocytosis is actually cell eating, means swallowing of bulk material or large substances inside the cell. This small introduction must have revised your previous knowledge and brighten up your mind. So after developing basic concept, now moving to our main topic, that is phagocytosis. The term phagocytosis is derived from Greek phage means to eat, cyte means cell, and osis means process. So phagocytosis is the internalization of particulate matter, larger than 0.5 micrometer in diameter, by cells, into cytoplasmic vesicles. Or simply, we can say, it is a process of cell eating. So, in this video, we will learn about what type of cells undergoes phagocytosis, what are the types of phagocytic cells, how these cells are produced and recruited to the site of infection, and lastly, we will understand a detailed mechanism of phagocytosis. So without wasting any time, let's dive in.